Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes. I'm your teacher, Saima Atif. First of all, congratulations to everyone. You all are in class prep now. New class के साथ आप लोगों की books और notebooks भी new होंगी, लेकिन आपने उन पे एक्स्ट्रा लाइंस नहीं लगानी, कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं लिखना है, क्योंकि नीट क्लीन नोटबुक सबको अच्छी लगती है। आप लोगों ने बहुत नीट वर्क करना है और अपनी नोटबुक्स और बुक्स की केयर करनी है। ओके? You all have read about these letters. Capital letters and small letters. You also have learned the vocabulary of these letters. You have learned all the sounds of these letters. और आप सबने इनकी फ्रेंडशिप भी करवाई थी, याद है आपको? A. What is this? A. A तो अकेला रहता था. But one day he found और इन दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप हो गई. A. जब इन दोनों की फ्रेंडशिप हुई, we called it an. इसी तरह आपने और भी बहुत सारे two letter words लर्न किए, like in, am, at, is, up, it, and on. फिर आपने इन लेटर्स की एक और लेटर से फ्रेंडशिप करवाई और बनाए 3 letter words. आप सबको ये वर्ड्स पढ़ना आते हैं. Let's read with me. Pen, fan, bat, van, jam. Now, today we're gonna learn some more 3 letter words. Are you ready? Let's do it. What is this? Yes, you all know about it. It's a cow. Cow. It's a very useful animal. We get meat and milk from it. Cow. Ow. Cow. Ow. Cow. Read with me everyone. Cow. Ow. It's a magical sound. जब O और W की फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है, तो it makes the sound of ow. So ow makes cow. Cow. Ow. Cow. You can say o w. Cow. Ow. Cow. If you will say COW, तो फिर भी ये ठीक है. But if you will say KOW, तो टीचर आपसे हैप्पी होगी और आपको स्टार देंगी. So you're gonna learn the spellings with the sounds. Cow, cow. What is this? It's very healthy. Yes, it's an egg. You eat boiled egg, fried egg, and many times you eat omelette, egg omelette. Egg, 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 egg. Now let's see what's the new picture. It's a hut. Huts are usually made up of stones, mud, leaves, and wood. Hut. 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 Log. It's a log. It is a big piece of wood, a thick piece of tree trunk. जब tree trunk का बड़ा सारा piece cut करते हैं तो it is called log. Og. Log. Og. Log. Log. Now let's see what's the new picture. What is this? Okay, let me give you a hint. It is made up of mud and it is used to keep plants in it. It's a pot. Yes, you all are right. It's a pot. 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 What is this? It's a tap. Tap. इसमें से पानी बाहर आता है. But make sure कि आप पानी को बिल्कुल भी waste नहीं करेंगे. After washing your hands, you're gonna close the tap tightly. It's another type of tap. 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 App. Tap. App. Tap. 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 Yuck. Yuck usually has long hair and short legs. It has big horns. It is just like ox. Yuck. 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 Now let's open New Oxford Modern English. Make sure you all have laminated your books. Open page number 1. Now let's see these words. Hold your pencils. Underline 3-letter words on page number 1. Is it a 3-letter word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it has 5 letters. तो आप इसको underline नहीं करेंगे. इसके भी 3 letters नहीं है. Now look at this. 1, 2, 3. It is a 3-letter word, so you're gonna underline it. इसी तरह आप बाकी 3-letter words find out करें और उनको underline करें. Now let's read them. Cow, cow. Egg, egg. Hut, hut. Log, log. Pot, pot. Now turn out the page. Open page number 2. Just like previous one, you are going to find out 3-letter words and underline them. Is it 3-letter word? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. Is it 3-letter word? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. Underline it. Is it a 3-letter word? No. Now let's read them. Tap, tap. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Now we're gonna do missing letters today. Teacher will miss out some letters from the words. You're gonna guess which letters are those. See this. Choose the letters and fill in the blanks. You're gonna choose the letters from the cloud and you will fill this blank. Which sound is this? O, G makes og. If you will put t here, it will make tog. Tog कोई word होता है? No. अगर आप ए यहाँ पे put करेंगे, a, og भी कोई word नहीं होता. If you will put l here, so it will make log. Is log a word? Yes. So you're gonna put l here. L. L, og, log. Got it, everyone? Now let's do it one more time. H, a. If you will put l here, so it will make hull. Hull is a word? No. If you will put z here, then it will make huz. Is huz a word? No. If you will put t here, it will make hut. Is hut a word? Yes, very good. You all have learnt about hut. So we're gonna put t here. Hut. Hut. Got it, everyone? It's homework time. Learn spellings of cow, egg, hut, log, pot, tap and yuck on page number 1-2 of Oxford Modern English. Make sure कि आप डेली ये सारे स्पेलिंग्स लर्न करें बिकॉज नेक्स्ट डे टीचर आपसे स्पेलिंग भी सुनेंगी और आपका वर्ड पिक चेक करेंगी। फी हिफ्ज़िल्लाह फी अमानिल्लाह। अल्लाह ताला आप सबको अपनी हिफ्ज़-ओ-अमान में रखे। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।